you had to book Abraham Lincoln as the opening act in a comedy show, and first off, I'd like to say Abraham Lincoln would probably be the headliner in almost any situation. I think people are going to pay top dollar to see Abraham Lincoln. I don't care if he's juggling. I don't care what. People would come see the ghost of Abraham Lincoln, you know, yodel. Uh, if I had to book Abe as like the opening, do a tight 15 for a modern stand-up comedian, I'd probably go Nate Bargatze. I think that would be, it's Lincoln had the ability to do kind of the clean, fun, sillier humor. They both could tell some good story jokes, kind of be a little bit silly. And I personally think Lincoln would be tickled to do a show in, say, Nashville, Tennessee, you know, old Confederacy, and just see the sectional healing finally did work out okay. So I think that would be nice for Lincoln's ghost. Also, if he was standing there in Nashville, opening up for Nate Bargatze. I think that would be I think that would sell out pretty quick, 5 minutes tops. Yeah.